Hey friends, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw letter L. Check link in the description box for previous videos. L is done. L for lamp. Draw trapezium shape. Little curve. Now draw zigzag pattern for lamp. Draw two parallel straight lines. Then diamond shape. And oval. To color L, we will use red and orange color. When you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and comment your favorite cartoon character. For lamp, we are using deep yellow, orange and brown shade. L for lamp is done. Thanks for watching.